Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go how to draw a cute puppy. There's many different ways how to do that. But this is one of them. I have other videos on it, but this is just one way to do it. I'm going to use regular printing paper, and I'm going to be using this Crayola marker. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line over here for the nose. Curve down. And I'm going to curve down into that. It's like an upside down triangle. I'm going to draw kind of a oval shape here. And I'm going to fill in the bottom of that. Line over here. Line over here for the mouth. Curved line on the top right here because I want there to be a snout. Circle. Well, I'm going to draw a straight line up. Curve around here, and it's going to go down. I like these cool kind of curvy eyes. And I'm going to draw another one on this far end, alright? But it's going to be hidden a little bit by the nose. And that's a good way to show that the snout is sticking out. Curve over here, fill that in. Curve over here, and fill that in. Right on. Line open. I want to smile on him, so I'm going to draw a curved line here. I'm going to pull a straight line down here. I'm going to down here, and it's going to curve out. Like so. Connect that line. I'm going to draw a little dip and another little dip for the tongue inside the mouth. So right here is going to be one dip and another one. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like drawing cute stuff, if you like drawing your favorite characters, like learning how to draw them. I teach simple ways on how to draw all your favorite characters and, cute characters. Hit that subscribe. I post every day. When you click the bell notification, though, it'll actually let you know when I post. So definitely click the bell notification. Straight line down. Curve around the corner here, and he's going to go up. Curve around the corner here, up. And this dog's going to have a big old ear on it. So I'm going to draw a straight line down here. Connect this. I'm going to go to the outer end over here and draw another, right here, curve around. Right on. I'm going to go over here, curve line over the top right here for the flat part of the head. And it's going to actually run all the way across. So I'm going to start on this end. I'm going to go up and then curve around the corner. Ready? Up here, curve, right in that dog ear. So we want this shape on that end, but this shape is blocking it a bit, so we're going to draw that just like that shape smaller. So I'm going to go over here, maybe make a mark, maybe make a mark down here where I want it to end so it doesn't go too long. And I'm going to make a curved shape around here. So curve, we're going to start that. Go down, curve in. I'm going to go over here, straight down, curve. Here, straight down into the stomach area. Line here for the legs. So straight line down, curve around here, up, straight line down here, curve, back of the foot there, straight up. So very simple stuff. Going over here, and I'm going to pull a line down to the back. Down. And it's going to curve around the back here. And I'm going to have him sitting down, right, on his hind. I'm going to have him sitting down. So I want a curve line here for his leg. Curve here, like he's sitting on it. And another curve here. Up. Gonna go over here. Line up. And curve out here, like a slight curve. I want that curve because it makes the tail look more alive when you do that. You can even do this. It makes it look like it's moving around, you know? Maybe you can do this on the other end too. Like the dog's happy. I'm gonna fill in the inner portion of his mouth. Curve, 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 curve. For the paws here, curve, curve for the back paws. And I would, if you want, you can throw in a collar. So let's go right here, and I'm gonna make a curved line from here to here, okay? Ready? Go. Might even throw one here. And I'm gonna throw a line down for the name, and I'm gonna have a circle here. Right on. And that's mostly it. As far as things you can add, you can always add a color pattern, like right here, thin with a thinner line, or to his back. You can, you know, curve the line here to have that color differentiation in the ears. But that's mostly it. Let me draw like a line here to show that there's maybe information in that tag. But that is it. I want to thank you so much for being around. I've been doing this for 6 years, and the last year is just exploded as far as the people being super nice and people being just around. So please do me a favor. If you like this video, share the video. Share it anywhere. There's a share button below this, you know, on YouTube. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever you're logged into. Share it on Pinterest. Anytime you share it, it brings a huge value back with really great people that come back here. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. My name's Enrique. I'll tell you more about the website that's coming soon, and I'll talk to you later. See you later, guys.